Right now we have our ingredients cut. We're going to take a sauté pan and we're going to turn that up to about 7. And then we're going to take a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to add that straight into our pan. While we're waiting for that to melt, we're going to take our lemon and we're going to cut that in half. We'll take our small strainer over our container and we're going to squeeze the lemon. And the reason why we're using a strainer to do this is it is much easier to simply dump out the seeds instead of trying to pick them out of here. Alright, our butter is starting to melt. So we're going to move it around so that it coats all of the bottom. And then we're going to add just a little bit of oil to that as well. I'm going to add our onions right on top of our butter. And then we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Again, if you're measuring something gloopy like this over it, it's good to dump it over what you're going to put it in, so if you get any spill, it doesn't go all over the counter, it goes into what you're actually trying to make.